Good morning, everyone. Today is day 7 and it is our last full day on the ship. So we are going to try and take advantage of that and do as many things as possible.
Say you don't wanna be with me, but you miss me as soon as it's over. Your name lighting up the screen, but you never call when you're sober. You say you don't like the games, but you play me like there's no tomorrow. You should know that I'm fed up with your lies, so don't come closer. You know you hurt me bad and I have scars. I need some time to heal, so don't come over. Don't even bother calling, just get lost. I'm fine on my own, so don't even bother to come back, 'cause I am done. I'm fine on my own, and boy, your pretty little lies are getting old. All the nights I have wasted on you are gone, 'cause we are through. All the nights I have wasted on you are gone, 'cause we are through. The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side, it makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind, I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever.
People like sweet, right? There we go. This is for the adults, this cake. That takes too long. Okay. Okay. Get off. The whole thing. I'm coming, calm down. It still needs to sparkle and shine a little bit, so there we go. Let's get it. Make it glisten. There we go. We don't need that part. That's okay. Okay. And that is a masterpiece in its own right. Okay, let's fix it a little bit. There we go. There we go. Okay. So, that being said, what score do you think this deserves? Call out a number. 1 million. You are definitely hired, my friend.